Skype, once the king of online communication, is officially entering its final chapter. Microsoft has announced that the platform will be shutting down, marking the end of an era that began over 2 decades ago. At its peak, Skype was the go-to service for video calls, voice chats, and instant messaging. It revolutionized long-distance communication, allowing people to connect across the world with just the internet connection. Whether for personal conversations or business meetings, Skype was a household name. But over the years, Skype's dominance faded. When Microsoft acquired the platform in 2011 for a staggering $8.5 billion, many expected it to become the company's flagship communication tool. Instead, its integration with Windows and other Microsoft services led to, a series of changes that frustrated longtime users. Frequent redesigns, performance issues, and the rise of competing platforms like Zoom, WhatsApp, and FaceTime gradually pushed Skype out of the spotlight. Now, Microsoft is fully shifting its focus to Teams, its newer and more modern communication platform. Initially launched as a business tool, Teams has now absorbed many of Skype's core features, including voice and video calls, chat, and screen sharing. Microsoft sees Teams as the future of workplace and personal communication, offering deeper integration with its Office suite and AI-driven tools for collaboration. For many, the shutdown of Skype is bittersweet. It was a pioneer in internet communication, connecting families, friends, and businesses for over 2 decades. But as technology evolves, so do the platforms we rely on. Microsoft has not given an exact date for Skype's complete shutdown, but the transition is already in motion. Current Skype users are being encouraged to move to Teams, and Microsoft is offering tools to help with migration. The end of Skype marks the close of an important chapter in tech history. While it may not have survived the ever-changing landscape of online communication, its impact is undeniable. From late-night calls with loved ones to critical business deals, Skype was there. Now, as Microsoft turns the page, the question remains: will Teams truly replace Skype, or will another platform rise to take its place?